Hi, my name is Lila. About 2 years ago, I was visiting my daughter in California, and I had awakened, and I started walking, and then all of a sudden I could not walk. Something happened to my left knee. I did not know then what was wrong. They took me to the doctor, said that I needed to have surgery on the left knee, that I had torn the meniscus, and he suggested that I have arthroscopic surgery, which I did have soon after because the pain was excruciating. And after the surgery, I still had terrible pain, and he thought, well, to be honest, you really need to have knee replacement. Well, I wasn't too happy about the diagnosis, and I decided, no, I'm going to wait. And that's it. And I knew that I was coming to Thailand, and so I said, we'll see what happens. I'm going to Thailand, and of course I had to be in a wheelchair. When I got to my son's house, I was fortunate enough 2 evenings later to meet Dr. Pichette, and I don't know how the conversation came about, but I had told him about my problem with my knees, and he suggested that he has developed a capsule. Maybe it would help. As soon as he left, he said, take 2 of them before you go to sleep. Well, I did, and I was taking them for about a week, and my son said, we're going up to Laos. Can you handle it? And I said, well, we'll see. Well, I can only tell you that I was walking all over the streets in Laos, which was absolutely unbelievable, after only taking those capsules for such a short time. It's now 9 months, and I'm still on the capsules, and I'm doing fine. I am not going to have surgery. I refuse to have surgery. There's no need for it. I'm functioning, and that's what's important to me. So my doctor is wondering where I am. That maybe I've gone to another doctor, but I haven't. I have not seen the doctor, but I want to when I get back and tell him about these capsules. Perhaps he could help other people by using them. And I'm thrilled that I feel as good as I do. And I hope that it becomes very much available in the United States. And my appreciation to Dr. Pichette, because it's a wonderful, wonderful cure. I call it a cure. Maybe he doesn't, but I call it a cure because it has helped me so much.